Alright, welcome back. Today we'll be looking at HTML anatomy. So HTML is composed of elements. So if you did watch one of the previous videos, you're aware of this sort of diagram right here, but we're going to expand on it and really break it down to the core. So these elements structure the web page and define its content. Let's take a look how they're written. That diagram on the right over here displays an HTML paragraph element. As we can see, the paragraph element is composed of an opening tag, content that says hello world, and then a closing tag. A tag and the content between is called an HTML element. There are many tags that we can use to organize and display text and other types of content like images. Let's quickly review each part of the HTML pictured. So the element is the unit of content in an HTML document formed by HTML tags and the text or media that it contains. The HTML tag itself is the element name surrounded by an opening and closing angle bracket. Now, the opening tag is the first HTML tag used to start an HTML element. The tag type is surrounded by opening and closing angle brackets, as so. The content itself is the information, so it could be the text or other elements contained between the opening and closing tags of an HTML element. The closing tag is the second HTML tag used to end an HTML element. Closing tags have a forward slash inside of them directly after angle bracket. So that is HTML anatomy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.